Education is a powerful tool that contributes significantly to the growth and development of the lives of millions upon millions of people all over the world. In contrast, traditional educational institutions have been faced with competition from new and innovative businesses in the recent years. This is due to the fact that traditional educational institutions have not kept up with the times. The way we educate ourselves must also evolve in response to the changing conditions of the world. The education industry is exciting because it is ready to be changed by new technologies and the ways of doing business. How are we going to get there? Well, the education market has been dominated for a long time by the government and universities and private colleges. Still, technological progress and globalization have led to the rise of new innovative companies. In the past few years, new technology, corporate strategies, and newcomers to the market have put traditional ways of teaching and learning to the test. Enter Coursera, a leading player in the online education market. With its new innovative approach, Coursera has the potential to disrupt and revolutionize the way we learn. Let's explore how Coursera is changing the game in education. Coursera partners with top universities and institutions to offer high quality online courses at a fraction of the cost of traditional degrees. They also collaborate with government and organizations to provide accessible and affordable education to millions of people around the world. Coursera also invests in cutting edge technologies like AI and machine learning to create a personalized learning experience for its users, making education more engaging and effective. The proposed prototype integrates collaborative learning groups to its existing platform. Despite the advances made by Coursera, there's still room for improvement in how students engage and learn from one another. That's why we're proposing the addition of collaborative learning groups to the platform. With this new feature, students can easily form study groups based on their interests and learning goals. Each group will have its own discussion forum, file sharing facilities, and project management tools, facilitating meaningful conversations, group projects, and peer evaluations. To encourage participation, we propose a gamification system where students can earn points and badges for contributing to group discussions, completing group projects, and providing constructive peer feedback. Key partnerships. The platform's future viability may depend on forging strategic alliances with influential parties like content creators, employers, educational institutions, and technology providers. Revenue streams. This platform could generate revenue from multiple sources, such as course fees, premium features, which may include something along the lines of personalized coaching, career advice, and some certification programs. And advertisements. These advertisements would be tailored to the user by using data and analytics. Key activities. Critical functions of the platform may include the platform might put money into creating its own material or curating material from other sources to ensure its courses are current and applicable. The platform might employ social media, email advertising, SEO or search engine optimization, and affiliate marketing to spread the word about its courses and attract new members. It can also do online testing, feedback, and certification. Are just a few examples of how this platform might facilitate the delivery and management of courses. Personalized coaching, community forums, and social learning tools are just some of the user engagement and support options that might be made available on the platform. Key resources. The platform's primary asset may include the following. To manage its operations and provide high quality services, the platform might invest in its human resources by hiring educators, developers, marketers, and support employees with relevant experience. Regarding the IT backbone, the platform might use cloud based resources like scalable servers, databases, and analytical tools to provide its services and fuel its expansion. The platform may spend money on creating and safeguarding its exclusive content, technology, and brand. Cost structure. Possible components of the platform's pricing model are the platform could spend money on developing original content or paying other parties to provide material through licenses. The platform may incur expenses related to the upkeep and improvement of its technology and infrastructure. including but not limited to servers, databases, and software. Paying salaries, perks, and fees to workers and contractors is a potential expense for the platform. The platform may spend on marketing and advertising expenses to raise awareness of its offering and attract new customers. The platforms may incur expenses to adhere to rules and regulations governing things like data protection and intellectual property. Monitoring mechanism to guarantee that the proposed road to disruption has a beneficial influence on the education business, it is necessary to have a monitoring system in place. The proposed road to disruption should incorporate critical performance criteria, such as the number of students enrolled, the completion rate, the pass rate, student feedback, and instructors. These indicators can be evaluated frequently to assess the impact of the proposed path. Feedback surveys can be used to get input from students and teachers to determine the success of the proposed approach. The surveys can be repeated frequently to track changes in feedback over time. Social media channels can be utilized to monitor comments relevant to the proposed course. By examining social media interactions, it is possible to determine the amount of interest in the system and any worries or objections. Market research may be done to acquire information on the competition and follow industry developments. This will evaluate how the recommended path performs compared to rivals and if it satisfies the market demands. Financial reports can be used to track the financial performance of the proposed course. This will enable the assessment of whether the proposed path delivers the predicted income and if it is financially viable. Overall, a monitoring system that integrates the above indicators and methodologies will guarantee that the recommended course
Coursera
reaches
has
its
developed
intended
into a significant player in the online education industry by placing a strong emphasis on expanding its products offering and improving the overall quality of the user experience. The market dynamics and the trends in the field of online education point to rapid expansion in the coming years, which will be accompanied by intense competition among the market participants who are already established, such as Udemy. Coursera, on the other hand, has an advantage over its rivals because of the partnerships it has formed with prestigious academic organizations. By making high quality vocational education and training more accessible and more affordable for students, the suggested prototype to disrupt the virtual education sector could establish Coursera as a game changer